In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your TurboTax product to the free edition. If you started your return in a paid version but realized you qualify for the free edition, you can change it right in your online return, as long as you haven't filed yet. I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few important things to watch for so you don't lose anything you need. First, sign into your online return and make sure you're still in the preparation stage. The option to change products is only available before filing. Once you're in your return, look for the main menu or account area. This is where TurboTax groups account level settings. Find and select Switch Products. This opens the path to change your current plan without starting over. Next, choose Downgrade. This tells TurboTax you want to move to a lower cost option. From the list that appears, select TurboTax Free Edition. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. The system will apply the downgrade to your existing return right away. Here's the key point to understand before you proceed. When you switch to the free edition, any data tied to features not included in the free edition may be removed. That can include entries related to more complex tax situations that require paid features. If your return includes items that aren't supported in the free edition, those sections could be cleared out as part of the downgrade, and you'd need to re-enter or upgrade again if you need them later. To protect your work, consider saving a copy of your return or taking screenshots of critical entries before switching. After the downgrade, review your return carefully. Walk through each section and confirm your information is still present and accurate. If something looks missing, it may have been part of a feature not supported by the free edition. In that case, revisit your situation and decide whether the free edition still meets your needs. When you're done, verify that your product now shows TurboTax Free Edition. Don't file until you're comfortable that everything you need is included and correct. The goal is to make sure you benefit from the free edition when it fits your tax situation without surprises at the end. That's it. Switch products, choose Downgrade, and select TurboTax Free Edition, keeping in mind that certain data may be removed. For more information, you can visit smart.dhgate.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you switch with confidence.